Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today topic is Git. Guys, I'll show the only simple topic and mostly useful and very important of pillar of the DevOpsing. This is a tool of Git. Git, guys, today topic is these are all today topics. What is Git? Purpose of the Git? What is Bitbucket and GitHub? Installation of process, distribution of version control. These are all topics of today topics, guys. Guys, I will explain more topics on what is merging, what is tagging, what is push the central to local repository, what I will definitely show the tomorrow and day after tomorrow briefly totally Git section. I will end of the section. I will explain 80% covered in daily. Can start the part ones today also. These are all topics useful in this topic discussed in today. Only 4 topics. Don't forget this. It can observe this carefully and mostly useful and very important of topics. First of all, can discuss of topics. First of all, what is Git? Git is a free open source distribution version control system designed to handle everything local from large to small projects. It can easily. Simply saying, Git is a distribution version control system. You can process of the what is Git? Git is a free open source distribution version control system. It can design it to handle everything local and small project. Okay guys, briefly I will explain it or Git is working. Git is a free working directory and staging area and local repository and central repository. These are all using of the Git process. First of all, can any adding. First of all, you can pull and fetch this. You can store the working directory. You can any create the one folder also file also. You can store it and working directory. Then it go to once add the command. Once you can add the git add command, you can store the staging area. I'll definitely show it comments, these comments also. Please observe it carefully. Next, you can ready to commit. You can staging area, store the staging area. You can ready to commit. Git, you can use the git commit -m command. You can store the local repository. Once you can store the local repository, you then you can first store the local repository, then usage of command. You can one command you can use in, then store the central repository. What command? Git push origin master. This command used to you can push to the local to central repository. Then what you can retrieve the pull central to local, you can use this command git pull. Use this command, you can retrieve the central to local repository. Okay guys, then you can add the git. First of all, you can drag the working, you can any add it and you can fetch it and pull it. You can store the working directory. Working directory means how to identify. Working directory is a untracked files. You can store it the untracked files. Remember it guys. You can store it the files in working directory. Untracked files. This is identify the red color. red color. Okay, then go to the once add the git that any folder or file can store the git staging area. Staging area, how to identify? Show it. Can add the comments and any add the folder and files. You can store the staging area. Staging area, how to identify the? You can use the green color. Green color. Once you add the any files or folders, you can store the green color. You can add to ready to. Sorry. Can once you add this, you can show the staging area. Staging area means this is a snapshot area. Okay, this is a snapshot area. You can ready to commit this area. Okay, once you can commit it, you can go to the local. Once you commit it, you can go to the local repository. You can store it the local repository. Okay, this is not modified. Displays are not modified. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay guys, observe it carefully, then go to the I have another scenario. This is we have another scenario. I have working on 3 developers, developer 1, developer 2, developer 3. Once you can add this, you can any one project you can take this. You can working on 3 developers working on one project. You can then add, first of all work on git, add this git add command, then git commit -m. Okay, simply write the commit message. Simply write the commit message, then git push. Okay, okay, working on 3 developers can use these commands, and once use this command you can store the central repository and our project. Okay, how to use? First of all, you can developer 1 working on use these 3 commands. You can store the central repository. Central local to central repository. Use this git push command. Use this command. You can store the git push command. At a time, on a scenario, you can totally 3 developer you can work. First of all, you can merge it, and you can another topics also. One topic is merging, git merging. This topic also used. Only single command single command you can add the central repository. Then total project will be stored in central repository. How is it? You can developer one working on some file name, some any file can small topic, and developer 2 you can add the another file or small topics. Developer 3 you can working on file 3, file 1, file 2, file 3 you can understanding. File 1 developer 1 can working on file 1, developer 2 can working on file 2, developer 3 working on file 3. When 3 files you can add the central repository. Then one topic you can use this git merging command. You can merge the total 3 files also single command. Okay, definitely explain it to that topic and that section. First of all, how to push it there, you can central repository, you observe it. Then developer 2 you can add and commit and push it. You can try to push the central repository, and developer 3 also you can add and commit and push it in central repository. Okay, this is a git. Okay guys, I have understanding. I definitely tell the what is git. Okay guys, next, what is purpose of the git? Go to the purpose of the git. You can nowadays using in git and using the central repository, or this is a central repository. Nowadays using on Bitbucket or GitHub, and simply you can understanding write the command and store the command, create the repositories and maintain the repositories. Can nowadays simply Bitbucket purpose of the git. This is a real-time developers who can daily process any interviewer. You can ask it what is the purpose of your daily life, then you tell it the what this is. I explain it. It is a real-time process. This developer work on developer work on 1 minute. Okay. One developer work on some project. We can use this sample project. You can take this sample project. Work on the one developer and sample project. This is a git. Okay, this is a git. Work on sample project. Okay guys, some else calling. Okay, developer working on some sample project. You can write the one code also in git. Write the shell scripting and Python code. You can write it. Write the code. You can store the local to central repository. Then you can store the local repository. Once you can push the code in local to central repository. Then in automatically unit testing and automation testing, and you can do it. You can run, can deploy, you can running and deploying and execute the code. Simply saying, developer, each time developer push the code, then automatically unit testing and automation testing you can do it. Then everything clean it, you can done the generate the RK files. You can total process of using CI CD. This is a pillar of the DevOps. Can using the CI CD using Jenkins. How is it? I will explain it. Write the code. Sorry. Yeah. One developer write and code can use this command. What command? Developer every time, each time push the code. Once you can configure the every time, don't you go to the Jenkins and write and configure that job also. Don't it real time also. Can developer write and scripting on Python's code. Once write the gate, you can push the local to central repository. Then automatically, yes, and automatically you can generate the unit testing and automation testing. Everything is done. Generate the RK files using in Jenkins. CI/CD tools using in Jenkins. Okay. Git using command git push. Okay, this is Bitbucket. Bitbucket or GitHub. This is a, what is Bitbucket or GitHub? The Bitbucket or GitHub is a source code management can central repository using in Bitbucket. It is the source code management. It is Bitbucket. Bitbucket is a source code management. Okay. Once understand guys, developer work on sample project in local repository. Once you can local to central repository. Once you can use this command git push. Once push the command, you can generate the automatically in testing and automation testing, and everything is done. You can create the RK files using in CI/CD tools using in Jenkins. On CI/CD tools you can number of tools you can Docker also deploying the number of tools you can use it and Docker also, then Ansible, using a number of tools Ansible and Nexus, store dot factories. I have already this Nexus topics I have already done in my channel. You can watch it and for once again you understanding mostly. Jenkins, Docker, Ansible, these are all deploying tools. Nexus also, JFrog also using. Okay, these are using in JFrog also use these tools. Guys, observe it. Mostly this is a real-time scenario. I think understanding it. Then next topic is installation process. Already telling is what is Bitbucket and GitHub. Bitbucket is GitHub is a SCM means source code management. This is a central repository. You can what is Bitbucket also, you can simply tell the Bitbucket is a source code management system. It can handle the number of thousands of repositories. You can create the repositories and maintain of the repositories, can create the merge configs, and you can create the branches also, tags also. Yes, this is Bitbucket. Then next is installation process. What is install Git? What is install Bitbucket? I will show it. You observe this. You can install it. Then next tomorrow also I will do it these comments. What is git add, what is git commit, what is git push, how to create the one folder, how to push the folder in central to local, local to central, what is fetch, what is pull, and what is clone. Yeah, these are all mostly important. Git init, these are all commit and definitely I will do it the tomorrow. What is clone? First of all, git pull. Git pull means if fetch plus, if it is fetch plus merge, this is a pull. What is pull is merging the changes. You can store the working directory, working directory. Okay, this is a git pull. You can store the once you can store the, you can retrieve the central to local repository using this command. Git pull is a use this command once you can store the central to working directory. Okay, next directory. Next, what is fetch? Git fetch is a can once fetch the central to local repository, you can store it locally. Once use this fetch command, central to central, okay. What is clone? Once you can clone this Bitbucket URL, you can installation process or connection process and pull process, three types of you can do it. What is git clone? Git clone is installation process plus connection, then pull. this is three tips you can do it. The ones you can use the get clone, get URL, you can clone this initialization connection and pull. Okay, these are all commands. I will do it the tomorrow, and what is what, and I will definitely explain it all topics. Then go to the next topic. What is installation process in Git and Bitbucket? Okay. First of all, go to the browser and open new tab in Git. To this URL, simply write this git downloader. Go to this git downloader in SCM. You can Mac also Mac using the Mac and Linux as Windows. I am using in Windows desktop, or you can install this Windows. You can click it, then install it. You can install in zip file. You can extract it, then you can do it. Okay. My side is already installed it. Your side is you done it. Then tomorrow also I will explain it. Okay. I will share this URL also in description. Install in Bitbucket or GitHub. Downloader. GitHub means central repository. Yeah, you can download the 62-bit. Then another using the Bitbucket. And once you can download it, and you can sign up this Bitbucket or GitHub. You can use your mail ID, and you can want to hit the simple password. You can do it. Then sign up. The first of all sign up, and you can mention it to your email ID or password. Then sign in. You can simply you can display the one simple page. I will show it simple page. I display it. Bitbucket. Yeah, see this. My network is slow. That's his problem. Yeah, see this page. Your case also once sign it. Simply you can one email ID or password, then sign in this Bitkit login page. Once log in this page, simply display this page and show it. Yeah, this page. Your case is empty also. My case already create some repositories. Display this repositories also. All repositories. Your case is totally empty. I definitely show it how to create the repository, how to clone the URL also. I show it in tomorrow. Okay guys, install and keep it. Okay, I hope understanding these topics also today. Okay, I definitely share this document also in description. Okay, interested, you can share with their email IDs. I definitely share it. Okay guys, bye, thank you. Please like and share and subscribe definitely. Bye.